Life's about living your biggest dreams. This is the start of walking into one of mine, and -20 wasn't gonna stop me. 13 years ago, I met my first Yukon Quest musher and hung on for dear life behind his team. The heart of those dogs and the stories of that 1,000-mile race gave me chicken skin and an instant knowing that one day I'd hear the call of Alaskan huskies. Now, dreams can get seemingly complicated quickly and then never fulfilled. So I always simplify the vision to a single picture in my mind with one concise caption underneath. The best part of living this dream was that my 91-year-old grandma had it too, and we made it all happen together.
I started the dream a few days earlier because though my grandma's young mind and adventurous spirit are always up for anything, even a 90th costume birthday party in Vegas, camping out in this rustic Hilton after 8 hours of dog sledding in -10 to 20 weather was something most people would say no to. For me, my heart just burst open for the love of dog sledding the minute I arrived to cheer on the winner, Hugh Neff, and all the other mushers. When you're among the few fans who've shown up at 3 a.m. to cheer a team to the finish line, you've definitely been swept up into the dream. When I saw the frenzied excitement of the dogs and felt their passion to run, I knew I had stepped beyond the simple adventure and entered the inspiring and fearless world of the unknown, a place that overwhelms you with a passion you cannot yet define. It yanks at your spirit, and all you do know is that you're not coming home to who you were. This is the cry for walking your truth, for flinging your arms to the sky and yelling, "I'm coming."
So that's your lifeline. So that's always has to be on the ground. Hey, Yukon, devant! G! Wait!
Trailing behind.
Yeah, that's in case you fall. You have something to hang on to. And this one, I'm just gonna wrap it up around here so it's not in your way. There you go. Okay. There you go. So just let go of the brakes real slowly. I'll come with you. Okay. Let him go. There. Okay, you're good. Hang on. Okay. Yep. The first curb is the hardest. This repair. I'm not used to it, but it's fine. After that, you got a long straight line to get used to it.
Okay.
There you go. Everything's
awesome.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
That's fine. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks. Yeah, boys. So beautiful out here. I can't believe it. Blue skies. We're gonna get northern lights tonight. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, my hands are freezing. Okay, let's go.
This is ass kick. And he's like, hey, what about my back legs? What about my back legs? Oh, okay.
he is. He is my big pulling dog. Little massage therapy for the boys. Oh. He's like, how about that one? How about that leg? Oh, how about this leg? How about my big belly? Oh, all the dog wants to do is lick your face. It's so gross. Oh. Yes, he does. Yes, you are. He's like in a ball. Oh my gosh, that feels good. It's been the most amazing trip so far. It's like a dream come true. We just traveled about 30 kilometers out here into the middle of nowhere. It's so peaceful and beautiful out here. It's like I always imagined.
The cold weather zapped my video batteries by the time my dogs were barking to go again. 5 seconds after untying my own team, I hit some brush and flipped the sled. Off went my dogs without me. I bumped into 6 trees, fell off around a tight turn I didn't make, got airborne down a steep drop, and frantically yelled, "Whoa!" with little response at every major downhill. I loved every minute. When our guide asked me, "Do you want to do a tougher trail?" I just laughed. "Of course I do." She said, "Okay, but only if you're sure you can make this next downhill turn. You can't make a mistake." Those words couldn't have made me a happier musher. I could hardly wait to share the dream with my grandma.